Meet the all-new 2027 BMW X5, a luxury SUV that blends aggressive power, refined elegance, and next-gen technology into one sleek machine. It's not just an update. It's a complete transformation that redefines what an SUV should be. Whether you're a BMW fan or just a lover of cutting-edge automotive design, this SUV demands your attention. The first thing you'll notice is the redesigned front fascia. BMW has kept the bold kidney grille, but made it even sharper and more pronounced. The headlights are now slimmer, more angular, and equipped with adaptive laser light technology, giving the X5 a futuristic gaze that slices through the night. The new front bumper features active air flaps for enhanced aerodynamics, making this SUV as efficient as it is powerful. From the side, the 2027 X5 keeps its strong, athletic stance, with more sculpted lines and flared wheel arches that house optional 22-inch alloy wheels. Flush door handles and smoother surfaces reduce drag and add a cleaner profile. And yes, it's longer and wider than before, giving it a more commanding presence on the road while increasing cabin space. At the rear, the taillights have undergone a radical redesign. They now feature a 3D effect with pulsating LED elements that activate in motion. Dual trapezoidal exhausts and a subtle roof spoiler add just the right amount of sportiness to this luxury beast. But what really makes the 2027 X5 stand out is its all-new light-up grille option and dynamic lighting animations when you approach the car with the key fob in your pocket. It's high-tech, premium, and undeniably BMW. Now step inside and prepare to be amazed. The cabin has been completely overhauled with BMW's latest tech suite. A massive 14.9-inch curved touchscreen blends seamlessly into the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, running the latest iDrive 9 OS. This system is faster, more responsive, and packed with AI-driven suggestions that learn your habits over time. Voice control is now near flawless, and over-the-air updates keep your SUV constantly improving. Materials have been taken up a notch too. Think premium merino leather, open-pore wood trims, crystal gear selectors, and customizable ambient lighting that turns your cabin into a luxury lounge. The panoramic sky lounge roof now includes electrochromatic dimming. At the touch of a button, the entire roof tints to give you privacy or to block out the sun. The seats, heated, ventilated, and massaging for both front and rear passengers. And the sound system? A 30-speaker, Bowers-Wilkins Diamond surround sound setup that makes every playlist sound like a live concert. Under the hood, BMW gives you options. The base model features a turbocharged inline-six with mild hybrid tech, producing around 400 horsepower. But for thrill seekers, the X5 M60i variant pushes out over 530 horsepower from a twin-turbo V8, rocketing you from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.1 seconds. All models come with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and a new adaptive suspension that reads the road in real time for an ultra-smooth ride. Want something greener? BMW hasn't forgotten about electrification. The 2027 X5 xDrive 50e plug-in hybrid boasts over 90 kilometers of electric-only range and delivers a combined 480 horsepower, perfect for city commuting with zero emissions and highway trips with muscle on tap. Safety and driver assistance are next level. The Driving Assistant Professional package now includes hands-free highway driving, automatic lane changes, predictive cruise control, and even AI-powered accident anticipation, which alerts you if it senses a high-risk situation before you even see it coming. Storage? You've got over 650 liters of space in the trunk, expandable to more than 1,800 liters with the rear seats folded. With its grocery runs, road trips, or weekend getaways, the X5 handles it all. And let's not forget, the 2027 X5 isn't just about performance and luxury, it's also smart. From remote start via Smart VH, powered accident anticipation, which alerts you if it senses a high-risk situation before you even see it coming. Storage? You've got over 650 liters of space in the trunk, expandable to more than 1,800 liters with the rear seats folded. Whether it's grocery runs, road trips, or weekend getaways, the X5 handles it all